In accordance with its exploration contract with the International Seabed Authority to prospect and explore polymetallic nodules, DEME's specialist subsidiary, Global Sea Mineral Resources, has established an attractive training program. This gives young students and professionals from various countries worldwide the opportunity to participate in a prestigious fellowship, internship, or professional training related to the marine environment and laws of the sea. After 5 years of our ongoing training program, a number of our trainees are excited to share their experiences. Denisha Otakorala of Sri Lanka has been selected by the International Seabed Authority to participate in one of the upcoming GSR offshore expeditions.
The main goal of this offshore campaign is being able to harvest polymetallic nodule in a sustainable manner in coming years. I got to know about this training program through the website of International Seabed Authority. It will be a great opportunity for me to obtain hands-on experience in deep sea technologies with latest high-tech equipment, especially under the guidance of field experts. The whole experience during this training period is a one-off unforgettable memory in my life. This internship will be a milestone in my life. So I would like to take this chance to express my deep gratitude towards GSR team.
My name is Talatu Akindolire. I'm a Nigerian and I currently work as an Associate Legal Officer in the International Seabed Authority. It was a professional short course training for 3 weeks at the Rhodes Academy of Ocean Law and Policy in Greece. I found out on the ISA website that GSR was sponsoring persons to attend the training. The training, I think, has a very strong link to the work that I do now, because after that training I was able to sort of move forward in my understanding of international law in general and then law of the sea. And that's one of the main things that I do currently as a legal officer in the Office of Legal Affairs. Some of the things that I learned from that training was instrumental to me getting a job in the ISA, because some of the questions I was asked at my interview were things that I had learned and resources that I had already gotten from the training. So it had a very big impact on my professional work.
I'm Carolina Camargo. I'm from Brazil and I'm an oceanographer. My GSR training program was a fellowship for the Master of Marine and Lacustrine Science and Management, which is a 2 years program taught between 3 Belgian universities, the University of Ghent, the Free University of Brussels and the University of Antwerp. I learned about this training through one of my bachelor professors. He told me just a few months before I graduated and said it would be a good opportunity for my career. My entire experience was very memorable. I had very good professors and courses. My class was extremely international, people from almost all the continents, so it was a very good cultural experience. Made very good friendships and very good professional connections as well. This training had a huge impact on my career. I got a PhD position after my master, which I would not be able to get without this training. GSR provided a great support to me through the entire process. Everyone was very friendly and helpful, so I felt very welcomed.